Hi, this is Ariella Vaccarino with Voice Lessons to Go. And on today's voice lesson, I want to practice tricking our voices so that the muscles let go and we learn to really relax and we can warm up faster. So I'm going to be pulling exercises off of my Volume 3 CD called Pure Vowels. This is from Voice Lessons to Go. And I will play it out of my book, Vocalize, which has all 4 volumes of Voice Lessons to Go on it in a sheet music transcription. So let's get started. I'm going to start on page 78, which would be track 2 of volume 3. And we're going to be singing on we. 5 notes up, 5 notes down. We. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it and I'm going to alternate the next one and start at the top instead, but play the same thing but backwards. We. Then I change it, I go up this time. We. Now I go to the top. We. Now from the top. We. From the bottom. We. From the top. We. From the bottom. We. Let's come down but go from the top. We. From the bottom. We. From the top. From the bottom, from the top, bottom, bottom. So that's the idea. So in the exercise or the book, it doesn't have it changing like that, but you can take any exercise and you can make changes to it. I want to empower you as a voice student, as a singer, to learn how to make your own exercises. So let's do it one more time, nice and fast. I want you to think about it all happening in a very small space. I don't want you to imagine that your voice is going from very low to very high. I want to keep it all kind of compressed and together and nice and smooth and low in the body. Okay, so we're going to start by going up. From the top. Bottom. Keep going. Top. Keep it small. Okay, so keep it in a nice small spot. So it's the same kind of idea that I want to do next, but I'll use a different exercise. Also from Volume 3, Pure Vowel. And we're going to change the vowel to I. I. Okay? It has a point right here. I. I. It shouldn't be I. 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 Different than an E. E is right here. I has more of a point on it, but it's right out there. So this exercise is going to be a little bit complicated, but just play it a few times and you'll get it. It's track 4 on volume 3, and it's page 82 in Vocalize. So we're going to play a broken major extended chord, and when we get to that top note, we're going to hit it 3 times, and then we're going to come back down in a major chord, right? So it goes up and comes down. So on we, it would be we. Opposite, we're going to go from the top, hit 3 times, and go back up. Okay, so let's try it on we. If it's hard the first time, then play it again, and you're going to get it, okay? We. Now go to the top and come down. We. Now we're going up again. Now go to the top. From the bottom. Now from the top. Good, go from the bottom. And the top. Good, from the bottom. Let's do that fast this time. motivated to record and play and not look at my hands and remember if we're going up or down. So that's a Vocalize you can do that's a little tricky, but you can master it over time. You're practicing ascending, descending, so that your throat just relaxes because it doesn't know what's going next anyway, so it can't hold on to those muscles. If you like it, subscribe. VoiceLessonsToGo.com is where you can get all my stuff. I'm Ariella Vaccarino, and sing well.